Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this car. It's a X100 Jaguar XK8, but it's a 4.2S, and it's a very rare car really. It's a run out model, as you can see from the wheel style, wheel size, side skirts, and this unique colour. It's called copper black. Now this car is unusual in the fact that it's only done 25,000 miles, just turned from new. And it's also unusual because it's a 2006 registered car. So it's an extremely late car, because we've had the X150s, pre-production cars, on a 55 plate before. And this is the previous shape to that, X100, and this is an 06 plate. It's actually got a private plate on it, which goes with the car. Nothing flash, I'm afraid, but it's the original plates, which say 06 on them, are actually in the boot in an envelope. If you'd want to take the private plate off and put that back on again, then that's down to you. But it goes with the private plate, which is, like I say, it's nothing flash. I think it's somebody's initials previously. So let's have a walk around it. It's the white badge model 4.2S, like I say, and it's absolutely mint, this car. Absolutely mint, and it's a beautiful colour. Really understated, but smart and classy. Yeah, it'd be very, very difficult on a terribly cloudy, overcast day like this to see the all the pigments in the colour, but underneath the lights in the workshop when we were doing it, oh, it was unbelievable. So just to go through what we've done, it's recently, not by us, but it has recently had disc and pads all round, and we've just had all the wheels properly, you know, powder coated like we normally do. New centre cap badges in the middles of the wheels, and they've been done in high sparkle silver, which is the correct colour for the car, and they look absolutely mint. They weren't damaged, they were just faded. It's got near enough new Michelin Pilot tyres on the front. We've just put two new Michelin Pilot brand new on the back, so it's got near enough 4 brand new tyres. All the wheels have been done, like I say. It's had new anti-roll bar drop links at the front. We've just done a full engine service on the car. It's been machined. It's had a 5-stage machine polish, and it's had a graphene coating, and the car looks absolutely, it really does. This video won't do it justice, the photographs won't do it justice, but it is absolutely gorgeous. There's no scuffs, no dents, no scratches, and there's, more importantly, no corrosion. As you can see, 4.2S badge on the back there, and it's got the rear parking sensors on it. It's got a boot spoiler. The parcel shelf material has not all come apart. It looks smart. The interior is just like brand new. It's had a recent headliner put in it, not by us, but it has had a recent headliner in it before we took possession of the car. And again, the wheels look absolutely fantastic. They just fill the arches a little bit more with them being a bit bigger than normal. So these are 19-inch wheels. Right, I just want to show you around these wheel arches. All these wheel arches are absolutely mint, including down there where they go between the bumper and the rear quarter. No rust, no scabs, all original arches, never been filled, never been messed around with. No rust there between the side skirts and the back quarters. No rust in the inner arches. Now, as you can see, it's had new disc and pads at the back. It just wants using a little bit, really. Side skirts aren't all gashed and marked. There's no dents or damage or scuffs or scratches down the doors. All the trims around the windows, rear window, front screen, are all mint, not blistered and bubbled like you get on the earlier cars. No door mirror scuffs or cracks or damage. Everything works perfectly on the car. We just put 2 brand new wiper blades on. As you can see, and both sides are exactly the same. There is no, I must stress that if you're wanting one of these cars and you've been to see loads and you're sick of seeing rotten old horrible cars and you want something that's absolutely mint, this is a collector's car really, because of the nature of the model, the how late in the run it was in terms of 06 registered, the limited edition colour, which was only made for a very, very short space of time on not that many cars actually. This is like a sort of Jaguar enthusiast car really. You could take it to shows, you could use it weekends away, you know, and the car itself is not going down in value if you continue to look after it and maintain it to this high level. No chips or cracks in the windscreen. Like I say, we'll go down on this wheel arch here. This electric aerial works perfectly, by the way. As you can see, no damage on the wheel arches, no rot or corrosion on the doors, around the sill covers, nothing, no dents, no scuffs. It's as mint can be. And like I say, very rare opportunity this, to get an XK8 in this condition. Now it's got some sort of overmats in the boot. Spare wheel is a space saver, and all in there is absolutely fantastic. Let's have a quick look if I can get it. I can get it up there. There you go. Look, you see, absolutely mint. They're the number plates, the 06 plates that it was registered on before originally. So if somebody wants to take, like I say, the private plate off and put them on, that they're in the envelope. It's actually got a navigation system, a 6 CD stacker. Right, let's have a look inside, folks. It's a lovely interior. It's the later interior with the real elm veneer, not the walnut. And it's got the twin contrasting black stitching on the leather seats and on the door cards. It's also got memory seats. It's got electric mirrors, electric windows. It's got Alpine premium sound system in. It's got your sports perforated full leather steering wheel, multi-function steering wheel. So you've got your cruise control. As you can see, no damage to the driver's seat. Absolutely gorgeous. All been deep cleaned this. It's got the latest kick steps on with the checkered flag because it's a white badge model. It's got the leather edged black Jaguar overmats, cup holders. It's got heated front seats. It's got radio cassette, like I say, CD stacker, but it's also got the navigation in the dashboard, in the veneer there. Can you see how good they are now? I don't know, but it's got it. It's got the stainless steel gear selector surround and gear knob, later gear knob, because obviously that's a this is a run out model. Nice seats on these, really nice seats, far superior to the early ones. They really hug you, these back seats never get sat in, do they? As you can see, look at that. It's got the chrome dial surrounds. It's got auto wipers, auto lights, air conditioning, climate control. Everything works perfectly. Headlight wash. Like I say, it's got the proper Alpine premium surround sound. You can see it's got the big subwoofer on the back there, tweeters in here, and again, nice clean glove box. Excuse me. Sorry about the noise in the background. It's quite busy next door, I think, with the sound of it. So if people want to check out the colour code, it's PEG for the colour, which is copper black, and it's NED for the leather seat trim, which is ivory. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Kick steps, beautiful. Very low ownership. I think 2 owners from new, I believe. It's got full Jaguar history, and it's just bent. I've just cleaned and detailed underneath the bonnet. It's just been serviced, oil changed, air filter, etc. We've just done all that. and it's all been detailed underneath the bonnet. The car drives absolutely perfect, as you would expect from a 25,000 mile car. And it's got the 4.2 engine in, so no worries about the timing chains and the tensioners, because they were upgraded at this age, and also it's a steel lined engine as well, so no issues. Bulletproof, absolutely perfect, a lot better than the supercharged models, which do have the problems, the coolant leaks below the supercharger and other issues as well. So you're better off with one of these. 300 horsepower, still 0 to 60 in 5.5, 6 seconds. Fast enough is this car, and you've got the reliability as well. Absolutely bulletproof are these 4.2s. Brilliant engines, absolutely brilliant. Right, we'll start her up so you can hear her running. She should start on the key. No warning lights, nothing like that, just says driver's door open, that's all it's telling you about. Gets up to temperature absolutely perfectly and sits there. Everything works on it. Let's just give her a little bit of a rev, not much. Absolutely perfect, perfect. What a lovely, lovely car. So if you're looking to treat yourself to one of these, and you've been looking for ages, like I say, because everything you go and see is absolute rubbish, because unfortunately now these XK8s, the X100s, they're either absolutely mint like this, which is very rare, or they want thousands spending on them and the full recommissions and the rusty underneath. Now then, talking about the underside, this car has benefited from an absolutely extortionately priced dry ice clean in the last year, I think it's been done. So the car underneath is just like brand spanking new, and we've actually sprayed clear Dinitrol over the underside, because the dry ice cleaned it to an inch of its life, so it looked like brand new, but then they hadn't put anything on top, so just as a protector, so you could drive it, you know, in weather really, we put the clear Dinitrol underneath over all the components. But yeah, the underside is just like brand new, and the outside's beautiful, like I say, no ripples down the doors, no dents, no damage. If you're wanting a mint one of these and you like the colour and you like the colour combination, this is the one to buy. This car is for sale, and the price of this car is a very good price, I think. You know, to say what's out there for 15 or 16 grand, and you've got to spend loads of money still on them. This doesn't need anything doing. You've got nothing to spend on this car. Put fuel in, tax it, and go. That's it. This car is priced at $17,995, which, to be honest, I just think it's a bargain, because they're a beautiful looking car. It's in top drawer condition. There's nothing to do at it, no jobs to do at it, no money to spend on it, no paintwork to do on it, no headliner, all new tyres, wheels been done. What more do you want? As hobby cars go, or as a special car just to take out on weekends or to shows, you know, it's not, these days, it's not massive money to have a car in such stunning condition. No chips on the front bumper, no chips on the bonnet or the wings. Hope you like it, folks. We think it's absolutely beautiful, and it's going to go straight in our be back straight in our showroom now, and we're going to be quite selective who we sell this car to, because it wants to go to somebody who's going to really treasure it, love it, and look after it, and give it all the attention it might need in the future. Okay, thanks for watching. The telephone number as usual to call is 07759 938 395. Please give us a shout and we can arrange appointments to view. Now, the other thing I want to add on this video is we will be doing like another video in terms of going through different things about our business and what we're doing this year in 2026, and how we're progressing with different other cars. But I just wanted to remind folks that we have got a new website. The new website address is www.themaltonmotorcompany.com. .co.uk. It used to be .com, but now it's .co.uk, and it's a brand new website that I built and designed and did myself, and it was launched just slightly before Christmas. Now, if you can't find it for some reason by putting the website address in, then just type in Google the Malton Motor Company. When our listing comes up, our Google listing, just go to the icons and you'll see website. Press the website and there's a direct link to the new website. Now the website is very, very comprehensive. It's not just about selling cars like it used to be. There is a car sales page. There's all the services that we offer. So you've got a few buttons at the top you can go through, and then if you just click the other button, which then brings down a drop menu which brings down all the other pages. Have a real good look through and share it with people you know who are in a similar mind. All right, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon. Bye for now.